difficult moment for me ever since I lost my mother.
I understand. I also grieve for Kira. But the gods are wise. They know better.
What surprises me the most in him? My daughter Lama. Accusation. God.
I have told you times without number. Olama will grow out of it. She will.
Thank you, Nene. You're the only one I have now, Nene. Thank you.
We have each other. We have each other.
Yeah.
Olama, my daughter. Don't ever call your mother a witch again. Okay?
Okay, Papa, but she is a witch.
No! Your mother is not a witch. She's a good woman. Remember, if you disrespect your parents, you will die. You will not live long. Or do you want to die?
No, Papa.
Do you want to die tomorrow?
No, Papa.
You want to be alive, eh?
Yes, Papa.
So don't ever call your mother a witch again because she's not a witch.
Okay, Papa.
Do you hear me?
Okay, Papa.
Good girl, good girl. Don't ever call her a witch again, yeah?
Okay, Papa.
Who is my daughter?
Elama.
Who is my beautiful girl?
Elama.
Good girl.
My elders agreed. Ebuka, we summon you here to advise you on the matters at hand.
My elders, I'm all ears.
Our people say, na oburu ogu n'ire dị ntị njọ. It is not good that your little daughter accuse your wife of the death of her mother. It is ugly to hear that.
My wife is not guilty of the accusation.
Ebuka, nwanyị Abakaliki, na wolu mmiri ọkụ dapụrụ m ile. See, you must make inquiry and ask questions. Yes. This issue is going to be treated with caution. Adeji egwu muru emurima, egburi awo.
Yes.
Yes. I don't know.
Obina! Where is this boy? Obi! Obina, where have you been?
I've been playing with my friends.
How many times will I ask you not to play with your friends? How many times? Obina! Obina! I was only asking you not to play with those people again. Stand up now. Obina, I was only joking. Obina!
Obu the nekaraka na mapozu afọ. Woman, don't worry. He's not dead.
Are you sure nothing happened to my son? Are you sure he's not dead? I don't want anything to happen to my son. If not, my husband will kill me.
Nothing will happen to him. Enjoy. I will take my leave.
Obi, Biko. Obi, Naya, Biko, don't do this. Thank you. Please. Not your father will kill me. You kill me. Please don't do this to me, Biko. I only ask you now.
If anything happens to this boy, Ada, and we hear Melonwa. Hi.
Dim, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please, I beg you. I beg you. I was only trying to scold him. I was hollow.
You were trying to scold him? and see the outcome. He's lying lifeless because of your stupidity. And we hear me eh? Ada, and we hear me this boy.
Because now you're going to happen to him.
Hey, Obi. Water? Water mean water. Fast. Obi na. Obi. Hey. Obi. Hey. Get Millie. Obi, you're tired. How? Eh? Your head? Where's the water? Obi.
Naya.
You've succeeded in killing this boy. You finally killed this innocent boy. You're leaving my heart today. You're leaving this heart today. She has killed my son. She has killed this innocent boy. I am not going to live with you. You're leaving this heart, my son. I am tired. I will continue to live with you. You're leaving this heart.
I live every day for the right cause. So many days, as far as because I didn't kill my son. Please, won't you listen to me?
Tell this woman to leave this place now. The next time I will shoot, she will be the aim. Ada, please leave for peace today. Because
I'm not going anywhere without my son, no.
Listen, she should leave this place. Biko, leave. Let us go.
I want to happy now! Okay, please. Madam, it's okay. It's okay. You don't know what I'm passing
It's okay. It's okay.
We have buried him.
Hey. Nemo, my son. Hey, Mama, oh, call me Mama again. Jiro.
It's okay now. It's okay. Please.
Jimo, hey, let me cry. Oh. Here's water. Mister, let me get it. Drink. What is this? Blood. Just what is it? Hey! Hey! Somebody help me! Please, get up, please, I beg you. Somebody help me. Hey! Help me, please. It's my grandmother. My grandmother. She asked me to give her the water. Yes, the water. I didn't know what happened. And she died. Look at her.
Hey! Ada! So you finally killed your grandmother with your witchcraft? Ada? Eh? Ada? So it's true that you're a witch? Stop crying like you don't know what you've done. You've killed her. Let's go and tell everybody. Look at you. Now eat her up. Eat her up now that you've killed her. And then jump. Let's jump. Hey!
Never be gone.
Chenche mbene njano buna kume mbene chenche mbene njano buna kume mbene eshibe nnedi majo nnedi mekwa hosili di muri akwa kwokwu n'ebe n'ite yororo m yawo nnem Chika! Come.
Papa, you called me.
I want you to go to the riverside and get 3 white smooth stones for me.
Okay, Papa.
It is urgent. Go along with your water pot.
Okay, Papa.
The land of Ogidi is in trouble. When the Gavin Viper dies, his children take up his habit.
Papa, I'm going.
Okay, my daughter. Chenche mbene njano buna kume mbene.
Ada, according to the great custom of this our land, you have committed a great abomination. Mwanya bakeleke awuguru milioko dabumile. Mwazonu mwanya bakeleke bolumu milioko dabumile. There is nothing we can do about it. Imelalo. Hey!
I'm innocent. I'm not responsible for the death of my grandmother, Bikono. And also our land. My people, I beg you all, please. I'm innocent.
Ada, shut up! Do you think you can manipulate us with your witchcraft? Mbano.
Mechianu, shut up your mouth. You are responsible for the death of your mother and your son. Maidens! No witch will be allowed to survive in this land. Yes!
End up in the grave with the corpse. Ada, according to our tradition and custom, you will have to be buried alive today.
We have to run very fast.
What is it?
Come, let us run very fast.
What is it? For what? For what?
They are taking Ada, your wife, to be buried alive.
And then?
Are you the one talking? What do you mean so? And then? Your wife that you and I know you love so much? Or have you forgotten so soon?
Emeka, see, I don't even know what to believe again. The death of my son is still a big shock to me.
Stop talking rubbish. Stop talking nonsense. What has the death of your son got to do with... They are taking your wife to be buried alive and you're saying the death of your son? Listen, let us run so fast to go and save our life, please.
I am not going anywhere. I want you to close your eyes. I have a surprise for you.
Obim, what is it again?
Just close your eyes. It's a surprise.
Okay.
Don't open it till I ask you to open it.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm gonna go.
Mechianya go.
It's closed.
Don't open it. You can open it now.
Obim, it's beautiful.
Do you like
I
it?
like it.
You love it?
I like it.
I'm
Thank you for
I'm happy you love it. I'm happy. I'm happy you love it.
I love it. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, come and let's go inside. Come and give me.
Nemo, Nemo, Akamo Dikota. Ezinamo, Akamo Dikota. Nemo, Nemo, Akamo Dikota. Ezinamo, Akamo Dikota. Chialanio, Ebukanamoma, Nakamudi Bota. Obone Kanta Kosara, Inde Kanta Kakuru. Ochialanio, Yasara Bokwo. Obonye kamka kosara, onye kamka papuru. Ochialanio, Yasara Bokwo. Agamatona
Emeka, why me? Why me? Why?
I couldn't sleep last night myself. Did you notice what happened yesterday?
The thunder and the lightning. Yes.
And you know the meaning?
Yes, I know the meaning. Yes. The land has committed injustice. Hey, Ada. Hey. Ada. Hey.
Papa.
Chika.
Papa.
You are back.
Yes, Papa.
Good day, Papa.
Oh, you are welcome. The woman of grief and sorrow. Weep no more.
I thought you said he's blind.
Yes, I am blind, but I can see beyond ordinary realm.
I don't understand.
He's a seer.
In this land, you will find peace and rest. The woman of grief and sorrow. Chika,
Papa.
get my walking stick.
Okay, Papa.
Wadi, did you witness what happened yesterday? What happened? Chika, the daughter of the blind seer, picked a stranger by the riverside.
A stranger? This stranger, where is she from?
If you ask me, who do you want me to ask? I beg. Okay, later.
I still can't believe Ebuka turned his back on his own mother. Yeah.
Hey, I should be dead by now.
Yeah. Something in me still tells me that Ada is innocent.
It's so good.
I mean, she can't do all of this.
Ada. Hey.
Announcing the very glorious wedding between me and my Ebuka. Okay, every time the traditional wedding is going to be the talk of the town. When the prince will come to his dream, okay. Wait until my dream comes to reality. And all of you, my friends, don't worry. I forgive all your wrong thoughts towards me, but you'll still be on my right hand side. Hey!
I don't understand this village anymore. Was it about what happened yesterday? Yes. I'm confused as well.
Hey! Don't be confused, oh, my sisters. Don't be confused. Ekurumieku. Ebuka is mine, and no maiden in this village can ever take him from me. Not even Ada.
Hey.
Listen, Everything I predicted. Can't you see? They are all here, happening. So you see, the gods are with me after all.
Ngozi.
Hey!
Don't you feel pity for the girl?
Pity. Pity. Hey! There should be no pity for a witch. I'm even glad that she's dead.
Ngozi. But my father said Ada could be innocent because of the kind of thunder and lightning that struck the village yesterday.
Innocent! Innocent! Innocent, my foot.
As for me, I'm terrified already about the events happening in this village. And I don't want to talk about Ada or anything concerning her again.
Me too.
Whatever it is that people think, go! Go to the village. Tell them that nobody can take Ebuka from me. Tell them. Say it everywhere. Leave me alone. Go and tell them. Tell all of them that cares to listen that nobody will take Ebuka from me. And he's coming to me. Don't worry. I will invite all of you for my traditional marriage. Chimo! Yay!
You talk too much. Because you first know what but we came together.
Go! Since you're not my friend, you are not in full support of my success.
So tortoise is a cunning animal. Tortoise deceived a lot of animals in the bush. Both elephant, lion,
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I'm done. I'm done cooking. I have to leave now.
Oh.
Auntie Choma, please stay with us.
Olama, leave Auntie Choma alone. She has tried. Choma, thank you very much for all the help you've rendered to me all these months. I thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, but you don't have to thank me. I mean, I'm doing everything for my dear friend. May her gentle soul rest in peace. I just...
Choma. 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 She missed your mother. And I miss her too. Didn't you miss your mother? You missed her, eh?
Chika, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
You're looking wonderful today.
Thank you.
Greetings, the prince.
Chika.
My prince.
I have not seen this face in this kingdom before.
Yes, my prince. He is my friend from the neighboring village.
I see. What is your name, my dear?
My prince, my name is Ada.
Ada. Ada, I hope you are enjoying your stay in this kingdom.
Yes, my prince.
Okay, beautiful ladies. Just take care of yourselves. Okute. Let's go. One more thing. Beautiful Ada. In case you need anything, do not hesitate to tell me. Okay?
Thank you, my prince.
In this kingdom, we appreciate strangers.
Do you guys have anything?
Anything like what?
I think our prince likes you.
Chika, you presume things that are not possible. How can you say that?
I've not seen our prince in such a mood before. Because he was looking at me.
I've not seen him like that again. What is so special in me that would captivate the prince?
See, whether you like it or not, I know our prince for you. he likes you. So, don't know what to say. Oh, you said so.
I say so, Chika.
I know. Stop it.
Greetings, my friend.
Ada, wait. I knew you maidens were going to take this part. So I decided to wait here. Chika, I would like to have a word with your friend.
Okay, my prince. As it pleases you.
Ada, I don't know why I'm doing this. I've not done this before. Ada, I like you. I have never felt this way for any maiden in this kingdom. I want to marry you.
No, you can't marry me, my prince. You know nothing about me. You deserve a better woman.
Oh, come on. Ada, you are the most beautiful, charming and elegant maiden I've ever set my eyes on.
My prince, I'm a woman full with sorrows and griefs. You can marry me.
Sorrows and griefs? Who hurt you? Ada, tell me if you were hurt by anybody in this kingdom and watch me in action. You don't want to talk. Oh, Ada, you're crying already. All I am asking for is an opportunity to take away your pains and your sorrows. And to wipe away your tears.
No man can wipe away my tears, my prince. I'm sorry. Chika! Chika! Chika!
Dima, have you heard? The prince is seeking for Ada's hand in marriage.
What? That's a lie. The prince is not seeking for anybody's hand in marriage. And wait, moreover, which of this Ada are we talking about?
Hey, Ada, Chika's friend, the stranger.
Hey! No. The prince is mine. Nobody's taking the prince from me. Do you know how long I have lived my entire life grooming myself up for the prince? And you think a common stranger will come and take him from me? No, that's not possible.
Anyways, I'm just telling you as a friend so that you wake up before another person will collect sleep from your hand and sleep.
That's not possible. The prince is mine.
Ada, you're a sister to me. You deserve to be happy again. Please.
You hate and reject me so much. She should be my source of happiness and joy.
And Ebuka.
As for Ebuka, he is my greatest disappointment. He abandoned me when I needed him the most. So please, do not talk about Ebuka here. I beg you, please. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay, Ada. Stop. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry.
Papa, please, will you marry Auntie Chioma?
Olamma, what do you know about marriage?
I like her. I like her to be my mother.
Hey. Okay. I'll think about it.
Thank you, Papa. I love you.
I love you too, my daughter. Love you too. I'll think about it, eh?
Okay, Papa.
Ebukasi Momba. No. I said no. You cannot take Chioma as a wife. I mean, Ada and Chioma were like sisters.
Exactly. That is what I'm talking about. That's what makes her a perfect choice for me. Because Olamma loves her and she can take care of Olamma.
That is your opinion. Is that the reason you want to take her as a wife? Olamma likes her. No, it is a no for me. See, this time, my spirit does not agree with you.
Why? Do you still love her what?
Tofiakwa. Who would you say a thing like that? I love Adeze, my wife, and you know it.
Now.
Chioma.
Chioma. I know what we've been through since Ada, my wife, died. But only the gods know why it's like that.
My friend. Ada, I miss her so much.
Chioma, I didn't just invoke Ada's memory for you to start crying, okay? Like our elders say, the eyes that cry sees as well. Chioma, will you marry me?
Hey, Ebuka, Mbano. No, I can't. That was my best friend. What do you want people to say? Bow.
Please don't say no. Please marry me. There's nothing bad in it.
Please, you have to stop crying. Please. You don't understand. Just let me cry. Because that's all I can do for now. Let me cry, Vika. It's okay. Let me cry.
Okay, please. Chika!
Papa, your food will soon be ready. Just wait small time.
Okay, my dear. Get it when you are through.
Okay, Papa.
Chika! What is wrong to come to you? She's still crying. You refuse to be comforted.
Papa.
Chika,
Papa.
go and get your friend.
Okay, Papa. Why she's crying?
Now, I will undo whatever she has done against Ada and free Olamma. Yes, it is done.
Chika, you have to take my leave now. She's in about it.
Okay, Papa, I'm leaving.
Okay, my daughter. chenche mbede chenche mbede njano bunaku mbede eshibe mbeshibe nnedi maju asuba masuba nnedi maju nnedi mekwe hosiri di muri akwakwukwu n'ebe n'ite yololo ya wonne cham makwa de gbawo okporo akasi buru so na-efe n'ijije ọmụmatụ nkwe n'ikpo osikari aka Ada, your soul cries for justice, and justice you shall get today. Both of you should sit down.
Thank you, Papa.
Chenche mbene, njano mbene.
Ichokoro, we are here now. Please, can we see our wife? Ebuka, I hope I'm speaking your mind.
Okay, let me call my daughter. Choma!
Nam.
Ebuka and his uncle are here. They brought these drinks. Should I accept them?
Yes, Nam.
Take this drink and show me your husband.
Ebere! What is it? Where are you rushing off to? Come and see with your eyes. Come and see what?
Friend, forgive me. I was about to tell you. Ebuka is paying Chioma's bride price as we are talking now.
Chioma?
Yes, Chioma.
Wait. Chere. Chioma?
Yes, Chioma.
Ada's best friend?
Yes.
Yele! That girl. I knew it. I knew it that there was something about her. Hey! I am going there now, and I'll do everything in my power to stop that marriage. Let's go. Hey! Chioma! That girl is a green snake in a green grass. Hey! Thank you now.
Papa.
Olama, what is it?
Auntie Chioma is a witch. I want my mother back.
Hey, shh! Gentleman.
I'm saying the truth, Papa.
If I hear you say such a thing again, I will personally throw you inside the evil forest.
Asuba masuba nnedi maju nnedi mekwa hosiri di muri akwakuku na benite yololo ya wonne. Weep no more, my daughter, for I shall tell you all you need to know today. Take the stones, put them inside the pot containing the water, and I will tell you everything you need to know today. Chenche mbene njano bunakume mbene eshive nnedi maju asuba masuba nnedi maju nnedi mekwa hosiri di muri akwakuku n'ebe n'ite yololo ya wonnem. Ada, my daughter, you have been a victim of a setup. You are not a witch, as the villagers were made to believe.
Papa, my mother died in my house. My son, even my grandmother. My daughter was the first to call me witch, Papa.
Because she was bewitched and has been manipulated against you. By that evil woman who gave her 3 eggs on her birthday.
Just 3 eggs for Olama alone.
Yes, all these eggs for her. It is her birthday.
I know she will be 7 today, but
there is no but. Just allow her enjoy her egg. You like it?
Olama, so you are eating these eggs that giving me at all? That giving your mother 1.
So what's up, Papa Obinna?
He has gone out. He went.
The 3 eggs are evil eggs. Look into the pot. You will see it yourself.
Choma, what? What is true?
I'm a witch. I bewitched your daughter.
Hey!
And I manipulated her against her mother. I killed Obinna. I killed Obinna, your son.
Obinna.
And I killed Ada's mother. And her grandmother.
Hey! Why?
I loved you, but you chose my friend over me.
My best friend, Choma.
Ada, the person you call your best friend is your worst enemy.
Oroka, I said it, Thomas. Omelenunu. Eh? Ohewala. I said it that Ada was never a witch and you refused to listen to it.
How would I have known? How?
How would you have known? Now you're asking me how you would have known.
Did I not warn you? Did I not tell you?
Damo. Hey, Ada, please forgive me. Please, I am sorry. I wish I can change the hands of time. I wouldn't have chased out of this compound while our son was lying dead.
Of time. You can't turn the hand of time because it's late. Everything has happened. Have you seen why it is good to have good friends? Have you not heard it? Otibego. Talk for you to listen.
Ada, please forgive me. Adam, please forgive me. Ada, I am sorry. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Eh?
Ewo. Hey! Hey! Chioma is very, 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 very wicked.
Very wicked.
I thought she loved her friend because she stood by her till the end.
Hey, poor Ada. Anyway, that sounds alright. Chioma is paying for her wickedness.
Will that bring back Ada? Will that bring back Ada? Obinna, her mother or the grandmother?
Exactly.
I just wish all these things were dreams. Imokwa, hey, I thought Ngozi is the witch. I thought it's Ngozi.
Ngozi is a dreamer.
Who knows if she's one of them? Hey! Hey, the cause of our land forbid fasting. Fiakwa! Eh? Chioma.
Look at that. The prince of our land is very wealthy. If you marry him, you forget your sorrows. Here, confused about what? Better think about it carefully, oh.
Or you go back to the bank. My son lost my daughter. But the love I had for her is turning to me. Maybe it's not nice. No, it wasn't. I'm married to this.
Better.
Ada, are you sure about this? Yes. I do not want to go back to my village. What about you?
You're welcome.
You need water? You need food? You're hungry?
Papa, who is she?
I don't know.
Why is she talking with her hands and head without her mouth?
Eh? Okay, go and get her water. Eh? Go and get her water to drink. Olama, be with her and let me get her food, okay?
Mama, I miss you.
Please forgive me.
I have forgiven you already, my child. My child. Go. I'll be back for you.
Okay.
Just go.
This food will soon. Olama,
Yes, Papa.
where is the woman?
It was Mama, she just left.
No, Mama, stop it. Your mother has joined her ancestors.
No, Papa. Mama is not
Shut
dead.
up, she's dead.
No, Papa.
see her?
Yes.
Okay.
I saw the father too. He went inside to get me food. I couldn't help it. I revealed myself to my daughter Olama.
Oh, Ada, why will you do such thing? Eh? She's going to tell her father that you're alive. Why?
He won't believe it. He will never. I know him. Chika, let's go. Let's go before they meet us here.
Ebuka!
What is it? Ogini?
I was told that Ada was seen in Ochiala. Munye Gununu Ada, she was seen in Ochiala. Have you heard anything like that?
Solama was right.
Solama was right about what?
Ada was here some moments ago.
Chimo. Ezioku.
She came in a disguise to see her daughter. God. Come, let's go after her.
She's the one.
Who are you? And why are you running after us?
I am Ebuka. Eh? Ada, we know it's you. We know it's you. You are not old.
Who is Ada?
Ada, she's a woman. She's in my house a moment ago. Ada, please, I'm sorry.
Ada, please forgive me. I'm sorry, please, from my heart, please forgive me. Ada, Choma confessed to be responsible of everything we passed through.
Yes.
Please, I'm sorry, please, from my heart, please forgive me.
Pointed. You abandoned me when I needed you most.
Ada, please forgive me. Just for the sake of our daughter, Olama, please.
I'll be there for our daughter. As for you, no.
Hey! Mba, Biko. Oba no say no dey sorry. Ebu. O say no dey kwa sorry. Ebu bia.
Let me alone. Chika, let's go. Let's go.
Ada, Biko. I'm running for you. Ada, Kune. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? You don't listen. They will easily confuse you. Emeka will talk, you will not listen. Why are we friends? Now you have seen it. You have seen it.
Ada, you here? You here and I've been looking for you everywhere.
Hope there is no problem.
The prince came looking for you. Let's go and see if we can still see him.
Sorry, I don't want to see him.
Why? Were you not the same person that said you want to get married? That you've made up your mind to get married to the prince? Ada, wait. Are you still in love with Ebuka?
It's not all about Ebuka. It's about my daughter. I feel her. I miss her.
That shouldn't be a problem. That shouldn't be a problem at all. See, when you get married to the prince, we'll go and get your daughter. Yes.
I heard a lot has been happening in this community recently.
My dear, it's unbelievable. And that everybody know that Ada was innocent of the whole accusations. I wonder how they were going to appease her.
I heard the women send some people to go and beg her.
Hey!
I'm telling you.
Serious?
I'm telling you.
Hey! I hope their plans will work. I hope.
And this has taught us all a lesson. That whatever we want to do, we should always look before we leap.
If I hear, they will not.
I pray.
They will not hear. You are right though. My dear, you are right.
Okay.
Where are you going to?
I want to see my cousin.
Later
there.
The most beautiful maiden under the sun. Your beauty is an endowment from the gods. Now tell me, what is it that you want to discuss with me?
My prince, I was married to Ebuka, a young man from our community. We had a girl. I want to stay with my child.
You're married?
My prince, hope you're okay. Hope there's no problem.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay. I have to discuss this with my father.
Okay, my
to know if it affects our custom and tradition.
Okay.
Akute, let's go. Akute, let's go.
Tell me, what happened? What's he telling you now?
I told him about Ebuka and our daughter.
So tell me, what did he say?
He said he was coming.
Just like that.
What are you people doing here? What are you doing here? You are the least people I'm expecting to see here, so you people should just go and leave me alone. Please, go.
Ada, the entire women in the community is aware of everything that happened. They sent us here to come and render apology to you. Please, Ini.
Ada, please accept to come back before Ebuka commits suicide.
Your husband hasn't been himself since you left. Remember, to err is human, to forgive is divine.
Don't touch me. Don't. You people buried me for something I know nothing about. You people banished me from the village. Go.
Don't utter a word. The gods have vindicated you. What else do you want?
Go. Go. Don't touch me. Don't.
Please come back. Ada, please. Please come back home. Please. Or would you like to see your husband in the laps of another woman? And I know that deep down in your heart, you still love him. Why, Mama? Calm down.
Ada, if Ebuka marries another woman, do you think she will take care of your daughter as you? We could come back because of Olamma.
Enough of all this. Enough! Ada, what is on your mind? Say it, let's hear.
Chika, I just need to go. Can't you see my daughter needs me? Yes. I need to be with her. I need to just go to see my daughter. I miss her so much. My daughter needs me. My daughter shouldn't be allowed to suffer now. I have to go with them. I'm all she has. Please. I'm coming.
The limit I can go. I'm going to miss you.
I miss you too.